Hey friends, Tahir with you once again, and hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. A lot of times I've been asked this question that how do I bounce back from this pandemic proof income? How do I get to that point where things are opening up and people are going back to the norm in so many countries in so many ways? And the answer is simple. The strategies you had in place as a skill owner, as a business person, that strategy after the pandemic, as things open up, needs to change because the world that we live in has changed drastically. While we were locked in a room, in a country, in a city, the world around us was changing. And we know that. So how and what strategies are you going to use that will change the way you do business, that will change the way you work, the new skills that you have acquired, so you can learn how to be pandemic proof in your industry, in your business, is important. Share with me. I would love to hear what are the things you're doing differently than the things you were not doing before the pandemic. I would love to hear from you. Cheers.